All right, Miss Lina Perez is getting ready to go. Vamos, Lina. ¿Hasta dónde vas a Castillo? Dale, pues. Nada de nervios, ¿no? Hágale, pues.
Qué lindo reconocimiento me hace este señor al verme a mí como mujer manejar una moto tan grande como la abuela en unas carreteras tan exigentes como las Großglockner de Austria.
Dale, dale, ligero. Dale, 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 dale.
The Großglockner is the highest mountain in Austria, located in the Hohe Tauern mountain range. It stands at an impressive 3,798 meters, 12,457 feet above sea level. The mountain is a popular destination for hikers and mountaineers, offering stunning views and challenging terrain. The Großglockner High Alpine Road, a scenic drive that takes you through the heart of the mountain range, is also a popular attraction. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about an incredible adventure that a woman named LINA Perez is embarking on. She's about to embark on a journey of a lifetime, rolling her motorcycle across the stunning Großglockner, the highest mountain in Austria. LINA is a true adventurer at heart, and she's no stranger to the thrill of the open road. She's been traveling the world on her motorcycle for years, and her passion for exploring new places and pushing her limits is truly inspiring. Now, the Großglockner is no ordinary mountain. It stands tall at 3,798 meters, making it the highest mountain in Austria. The road that leads to the top, the Großglockner High Alpine Road, is a winding, narrow, and sometimes steep route that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. LINA is about to embark on this journey, and she's prepared for the challenge. She's equipped her motorcycle with the necessary gear, including a helmet, gloves, and a jacket to protect her from the elements. She's also brought along a camera to capture every moment of this incredible adventure. As she starts her ascent, LINA is filled with a sense of excitement and anticipation. The road is winding, and the views are simply stunning. She can see the peaks of the mountains in the distance, and the feeling of being on top of the world is overwhelming. The road is challenging, but LINA is up for the task. She's experienced enough to know that patience and caution are key when navigating these types of roads. She takes her time, enjoying the ride and the scenery. As she reaches the top, LINA is filled with a sense of accomplishment and pride. She's conquered a mountain, and she's done it on her own terms. The feeling of being on top of the world is indescribable, and she's already planning her next adventure. LINA's story is a reminder that life is about taking risks, pushing boundaries, and exploring new horizons. She's a true inspiration, and her journey is a testament to the power of adventure and the human spirit. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey with LINA. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring stories and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep pushing your limits.